Creating cars from scratch is a hard and time-consuming task. Use this car library to save time and don't waste time on making cars. traffiq is an ever-expanding library of realistic, optimized assets of various vehicles, mostly cars for now, and traffic-related assets for architectural visualizations, environmental design, rendering streets, or other scenes. The car library will expand over time, with more cars and new forms of transport being added. Its price will rise slightly as it expands. However, our goal will always be to create a massive library of vehicles for everyone to use at a favorable price or value ratio.